Asus ZenFone Max Pro brings similar specs as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, but it offers pure Android power and better specs. What's up guys, Zokohola here, and welcome back to another daily video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to see the latest videos. Xiaomi has consolidated his position to the Indian headset market over the course of the last 12 months by rolling out a wave of budget phones that offered great values. The Redmi Note 5 Pro, for instance, is the first device in the world that is powered by the Snapdragon 636 chipset and comes with the 4000 mAh battery that easily delivers 2 days of use. Asus ZenFone Max Pro brings similar specs and offers poor Android power. The Taiwanese manufacturer has mentioned that it's decided to offer poor Android after receiving a lot of feedback from the Indian community, and the switch is certainly a welcome one. The ZenFone Max Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 636 chipset and has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and has the 5000 mAh battery, which is one of the largest available in this segment, and has a starting price of just $165 that is more affordable than Xiaomi. The ZenFone Max Pro is made out of metal, but the plain back and plastic antenna inserts at the top and the bottom make it feel like a device from 2016. In short, there really isn't much to get excited about this design. The build quality seems fine, but it doesn't have the same quality as the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Max Pro comes with 5.99-inch Full HD Plus screen and 18:9 body ratio that covers 85% of the body. Furthermore, the screen doesn't have any Gorilla Glass or Asahi Dragon Trail protection, so you want to invest in a screen protector to give it some sort of resistance. The phone is available in two versions that comes either with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, or 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Asus thankfully retained the 3.5 headphone jack but don't have a USB-C port. What's great too is that the Max Pro comes with a dedicated microSD slot in addition to that 2 SIM slots. The phone comes with a dual rear camera setup. On the back we find a 13-megapixel primary camera with f2.2 aperture with a dual-tone LED flash coupled with another 5-megapixel shooter. This camera can shoot 4K videos. On the front we find an 8-megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture that can shoot 1080p videos. ZenFone Max Pro is a winner when it comes to the battery. This battery delivers up to a complete day of usage in 1080p video playback. The fingerprint sensor in particular is the slowest I've seen on a phone in the last 2 years. It failed to authenticate 2 times of 3, and even on the rare occasion it detects my fingerprint in the first try. The authentication was nowhere near as fast as other phones in this category. The phone comes with Face Unlock as well, and that was also unreliable. But what could ultimately seal the deal in the Max Pro favor is the pricing. The base model with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage will be available from May for just $165. The model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage will have a start price of $195. Asus is also set to release a version with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage for only $225. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to see the latest videos. Well, till the next time, see you. Bye bye.